Hey guys, welcome back to the part 2. And where we will be screwing the nails.
That's a nice car.
And that is Papa right there.
It's Jackson's.
Huh?
Jackson's
Jackson's what?
car.
How come you get a present? It's not your birthday.
I don't know, and it's not her birthday. It's Tuesday. I had a party.
You had a party.
Anyways, that will be the end of part 2. Wait, no, you have to still have to watch the movies get screwed.
Thanks to me.
Sissy, why do you have the control remote?
She's just holding it.
I got the gun.
Okay,
Okay, guys.
So guys, we've just put in the battery
Yeah,
and we've
and
connected the cords. Now we're just sticking the screw back in to put the... Shut up.
yeah, and guys, I have some amazing news. The very nice kind Area 51 man let me keep this block from Area 51. He just let me keep it. So you can just watch while I'll rest.
Oh shit, no,
I bothered. Yeah.
I'll be back, guys.
Yeah.
Hello.
Mom will be back, guys. Hi, Sissy. Everyone say hi, Sissy. Okay.
The wheel on the bus goes round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus goes round and round. All the streets can go.
Mario, what you doing?
I did my necklace.
Yeah. Papa, who are you trying to fool with that? You barely even scared me. But Papa, you barely even scared me. You barely even scared me with that. Well, I will. And guess what? There will be no shit because you didn't do shit to scare me.
Hey guys, welcome back. We've got the batteries in. Batteries in here, connected. Let's go.
Yep, we're gonna go for a test drive.
Come on,
So, what we're gonna do first? This one's already on.
Yep.
This one's already on. You see the left light. And then this one, it has the buttons underneath. So all you gotta do is flick that on.
Yep.
Flick it on.
Yep.
So let's see.
We'll let them ride it. Take. Oh, you got it.
It smashes. And then flick it upwards to go backwards.
Yep.
Yep.
Yep. See you later, Hello Kitty.
Yeah, I'll try and flick it up. Let's see.
Bota rosa. Tu rosa.
Hey, you did it driving it.
Oh, you guys. Yeah. Okay, now who wants to hold the phone? And okay, Sissy, you can hold the phone and just keep recording the car.
Okay.
No, you have to. Okay. No, flip. Guys, look. Watch, I can do this. Oh, does it crash?
This is I hold it with my other hand. No one touch Bluey and Bingo.
Get the target.
I know who it is.
No, not you.
Yeah, not you.
I already told her. Yeah, there you go.
Can I try? I'm gonna try it with my car. Okay. I'll show you my car.
Catch the target.
Look how beautiful. Look how beautiful my car is. See?
Sissy, no, not that car. We're not recording about that one. We're recording about the stuff.
Hey guys, you can
And stuff like that, and those robot fights.
Okay, guys, that will be the end of the video. See you whenever.